So are you looking for how to type lowercase Roman numerals in Excel? So this is pretty simple and easy. You just need to use this formula, put the equal sign, type lower, open the bracket, type Roman, open the bracket, select the cells reference and close the bracket, and again close the bracket to complete the formula and hit enters. And here you can see that lowercase Roman numeral in Excel. Use the fill handle and so with this formula you can easily type lowercase Roman number in Excel. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.